Good evening, I'm Anthony Mason. The Supreme Court gave the green light today to President Trump's travel ban, the 90-day moratorium on citizens of 6 mostly Muslim countries entering the U.S. The administration said the 90 days would be used to review screening procedures to keep terrorists out. It's now been 150 days since the ban was first signed. The justices did put some limits on it, but it could go into effect as soon as this week, after months of court battles. Here's Chief Legal Correspondent Jan Crawford.
The federal government will now gear up to start denying visas to certain people from 6 majority Muslim countries, as the justices handed the president his first victory in the legal appeals over his travel ban. In an unsigned opinion announced by Chief Justice John Roberts, the court said the interest in preserving national security is an urgent objective of the highest order. It was a rebuke to 2 federal appeals courts that issued sweeping nationwide injunctions against the ban. Those courts said it amounted to unconstitutional religious discrimination against Muslims and exceeded the president's authority under federal law. The ban is expected to take effect within 72 hours, in contrast to the initial travel ban announced in January with little warning and much chaos before lower courts blocked it. The Department of Homeland Security said this ban will be done professionally with clear and sufficient public notice, particularly to potentially affected travelers. But the court stopped short of allowing the president's full ban to take effect, saying it would not apply to people from those countries who have a bona fide relationship with a person or entity in the United States, such as a close family member or a position at an American company or university. 3 justices took issue with that part of the court's decision. In his dissent, Justice Clarence Thomas warned that the court's compromise was unworkable and will invite a flood of litigation until this case is finally resolved on the merits.
Now, the justices scheduled arguments on the merits for October, but by then, the whole case could be moot. The administration said it needed this temporary ban while it reviewed immigration vetting procedures. By October, Anthony, that review should be complete.
Jan Crawford at the Supreme Court, thanks. A reporter asked the president today how he feels about the court ruling. He replied, "Very good, thank you, very good." Earlier, the president tweeted, "Very grateful for the 9-0 decision. We must keep America safe." And in a written statement, he called the decision a clear victory for our national security.